Good evening and welcome this Thursday evening to an audience with Ed Walker. So this next song, straight out of the 90s, one of the great 90s bands and one of the best bands of all time. One of my favourite girl groups ever to be on the planet, and this is from their album, their best album, Crazy Sexy Fool. Cool. And I'd like to dedicate this one to a couple I've known a long time. Mr. and Mrs. Tomza. I think you're probably lying in bed right now, but I thought you might enjoy this. So, and also I'd like a Snapchat back, so you can message me back with the chorus. This one's for you two, the lovers. Gazing out of the window, staring at something that she just can't touch. And anytime she'll be jamming by his side, but he doesn't realize he hurts her so much. But all the praying just ain't helping at all, 'cause he can't seem to take himself out of trouble. So he goes out with me now, another body laying